morning from Punta Arenas, Patagonia, Chile. Right now we are shooting sunrise down at an old dock. We've got Thomas Heaton in the background with some of the crew. We've got Brendan Van Son up there on the pier. And yesterday I arrived and it was a little bit hectic, so I was able to get some B-roll of some of it, but basically we flew into Punta Arenas, went out and got some mate, got the rental cars, tried to shoot sunset, but it was absolutely crazy rainy. I only got 2 exposures off. Went to bed, caught up on sleep, not feeling jet lagged at all. And today is a big day. We're driving to Puerto Natales. So let's go. What do you think of this spot this morning?
Pretty awesome. It's amazing.
What a banger morning, amazing light to kick off the Patagonia workshop here in Punta Arenas. The crew is super talented, really great group of people. I am super excited now for the next 12 days. That was such a good way to kick it off. The B-roll there of Thomas Heaton, Brendan Van Son, and the rest of the guys is ace. So now it's time to hit the road. We are driving 350 kilometers up to Puerto Natales, and it's gonna be good. Here we go. So we're in the van, it is pretty cold, the rest of the people have arrived, and it is time to hit the road. Woo! Oh jeez, we made it, it's raining, classic Patagonia weather. Yeah, just driving about 300 kilometers from Punta Arenas up to Puerto Natales, and not a lot of B-roll from that ride, because I'm driving, but yeah, we made it. Puerto Natales, super overcast and windy and rain, but hopefully it'll get better in the next few hours. But now with the group, it's time to do the welcome meeting, give everybody a whole bunch of information about what we're doing for the next 10 days, and effectively kind of start the tour, really. So yeah, let's go. And we have arrived here in Puerto Natales. It is a beautiful evening. Guys are all set up here behind me getting some images. We've had the welcome meeting for the Patagonia workshop, talked a lot about what this tour and itinerary has in store for us, and what we're going to be doing over the next 10 days or 11 days now. So really good introduction and another nice shoot this evening after an amazing sunrise shoot this morning. So yeah, let's see what we get from this. And we are back here at the hotel in Puerto Natales. Today was an amazing day driving up from Punta Arenas and getting some really good light this morning, and then again this evening as well. So yeah, one of the, well, I'm gonna end this video here because one of the things that we're trying to do on this Patagonia workshop is create content, you know, as we go, so we can share it with you guys and show you a little bit of the behind the scenes while on assignment, travel videography assignment with Brendan Van Son and Thomas Heaton. So yeah, today was awesome. I think tomorrow is going to be more of the same. We've got sunrise here in Puerto Natales, and then we'll be driving all the way over to the Argentine side to El Calafate and Perito Moreno the next day, and then up to El Chalten. So a lot of great footage still to come. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video, and we'll see you on the next one. And the light has completely popped this morning. What do you think, Carlos? Come on.
Yeah, it's awesome. It's awesome.
Amazing, huh? So good to see.
Unexpected.
Yeah, just when you think it's not going to be very good, you know, the clouds move off. It's Patagonia. The wind's absolutely hectic.